The SJCAM 5000X. This camera's quality control, or its build quality, is awful. As you can see here, it's completely melted. Even the lens is melted. They're distorted. So I left this camera in North Idaho in a dash, using it as a car camera, dash cam. And as you can see, it destroyed it. Look at that. See that? It's completely melted. I can't even get the memory card out. That's how bad it is. Memory card's stuck because it's all melted. Looks like it's about to explode. Let's try to get the battery out. I think the battery's all swollen as well. I can't get the battery out, it won't come out. Oh, wait a minute, maybe it will. It's very, very difficult to get out. It's all swollen and distorted and glob. Looks like a big glob now. Oh yeah, the battery's completely, as you can see right here. Hopefully you can see that. Everything about this camera got destroyed just sitting in a dashboard. Well, it's not even on the dashboard. It was just mounted to a camera mount and used as a dash cam. We also, if you look at our other videos, we've also had other cameras, their HD camera, also melted. The battery swelled to where we couldn't even get it out. And we have a dash cam, the SJCAM Dash Plus or whatever. We have a video where that camera literally fell apart while it was mounted. The screen just fell off the back. We didn't even attempt to put the screen back on. Just sent it in. And it cost us $25 to ship it to China. They don't have a U.S. shipping facility or U.S. repair facility. It's kind of a sham, really. So I will never, ever recommend SJCAM products, even though they get glowing reviews. This is the quality that you can expect from an SJCAM product. Like I said, it's not just this product, it's other products as well. Anyway, that's my rant. And I'm sticking to it. I would not recommend anyone buy an SJCAM product, ever. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And if this video was helpful, please click the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel. Take care. High Tech Hillbilly out.